What's up everyone? Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am excited to say I partnered up with LG to review their newest 32-inch 4K smart monitor that you can see behind me. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take you through the entire unboxing process and then go from there. So with that said, let's go ahead and cut the chit chat and let's just go ahead and get into it.
Let's start this off by cueing some smooth unboxing music. After all the unboxings I've done in the past, you'd think I'd be decent enough to know what side you should open first, but not today. Outside of the monitor itself, LG actually provides an ergo stand that I'm a huge fan of. I'll leave links and additional information down below in case you are interested in anything you see today. Even though this monitor was sent to me to review, I'll be pointing out what I like and don't like about this monitor, as well as who I feel this monitor is best suited for. That said, always feel free to comment down below what else you think I should include in a monitor review like this. When it comes to ports on this monitor, on the back you'll find an Ethernet port, USB Type-C port, one USB port on the back and two on the side, two HDMI ports, and finally the power cable port. The monitor is a VESA mount, making installation quick and easy. The remaining items in the box that the monitor comes with includes the power cables, power brick, an HDMI cable, and even a remote. The nice perk about the ergo mount is its integrated cable management slot where you pop the cap off and slide the cables down the base. Once you get everything plugged in, all you need to do is complete the initial setup instructions using either LG's ThinQ app on your phone or by doing everything on the monitor itself. Now let's go ahead and get into what this monitor was like. Out the gate, if you're used to using a 27-inch display, you'll likely love the upgrade in size to 32-inch. From a design perspective, this monitor is extremely clean with a three-sided, nearly borderless design. The matte white finish goes great with a ton of different desk setup ideas, including our new master bedroom desk setup that I recently posted where I ultimately chose to put this monitor. Outside of the monitor itself, the ergo stand is what helps really keep this design super clean. On top of keeping cable management under control, it's extremely easy to adjust and makes a great option for converting it to a vertical monitor. When it comes to picture quality, this monitor is a 32-inch 4K UHD display. It features a DCI P3 90% display color gamut and HDR10 support. This monitor also features 250 nit brightness that has been plenty bright for my needs and has 65 Hz refresh rate, which is okay, but likely not what you want if your main use for the monitor is for gaming. Overall, definitely very happy with the overall picture quality, and if you've seen my other videos before, it's one of the main reasons why my main desk setup monitors are typically LG. Alright, let's go through what all makes this a smart monitor. To start off, it has built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. It's also equipped with the latest WebOS 22 that you can run a variety of multimedia and streaming services such as Netflix, Prime Video, Disney+, HBO Max, and Apple TV, without the need for a laptop or PC being connected. You can even use it to game with Stadia if that's something that you use. Being able to stream all these services without a computer is easily a huge perk, especially for those of you that have a desk setup in your room but don't have a TV. To help improve the overall experience of this feature, LG also includes a remote to make it easy to navigate everything. This monitor also features AirPlay 2 and HomeKit compatibility to give us the ability to wirelessly control the monitor and easily AirPlay the countless videos we take of Dexter whenever we want. You're also able to connect to IoT-supported home appliances and devices with this as well, but if you're like me, you'll likely continue to control most of them via your phone or via voice control. Of course, I know there's going to be people out there that will say you should just get a TV, but the reason why this monitor is a great option is first off, there are a lot of people that don't want large screens as their computer monitor. Secondly, there really aren't that many 32-inch TVs out there that are 4K, which may not be a huge deal for a TV, but for a monitor, you absolutely want a higher pixel density to ensure that text or smaller items on the screen don't look blurry or pixelated. When it comes to sound, the monitor features 5-watt internal speakers that can get fairly loud, which is great when you think about how poor so many other monitors choose to go about their speakers. The best way I describe them is that they're similar to what you'd expect when you buy a smaller TV. They're decent enough for the majority of what I'd use them for, but would love to see LG possibly add an internal subwoofer to future models for a more enhanced overall sound experience. As mentioned earlier, this monitor isn't going to be a main monitor for a hardcore gamer, mainly because of the 65Hz refresh rate and 5 millisecond response time. But if you're a casual gamer, it's still a great option due to the monitor's 32-inch display and HDR support that helps bring out a lot of the vibrant colors. On top of that, the monitor even features a game optimizer mode that turns on dynamic action sync and HDMI deep color. Alright, so who is this monitor for? To start off, I would definitely say it's a great option for someone looking for a solid vertical monitor, whether it be for coding, software development, or streamers wanting to view their chat. It's also for someone like my wife that wanted an all-in-one monitor that she could also use to stream Netflix. This is awesome for people with limited space, whether it be a small New York apartment or a dorm room. This monitor is also just an awesome general purpose work monitor. I tend to classify most monitors as general purpose monitors, gaming specific monitors, and editing specific monitors. A lot of people I personally work with, they don't competitively game, nor do they professionally edit photos or videos, so this 32-inch display is absolutely ideal for a lot of people. With all this said, a few improvements or additions I'd love to see with this monitor would be that I'd love to see it take it up a notch for gamers and improve the refresh rate to 120Hz or possibly 144Hz, and I'd love to see a Thunderbolt port as well. Alright, so that about wraps up today's video. Thanks again to LG for letting me test out their new smart monitor. It has easily earned a spot in our new master bedroom desk setup, and I'm still considering turning it into a vertical monitor for my office. I hope you all enjoyed today's video. Please like and subscribe down below if you did, as it's the easiest way to help support my channel. With that said, I'll see you all next time.